everyone, today is going to be epic because I am on the Cake electric moto. The snow has fallen, so I'm making the most of all this extra excitement, and I'm going to give this beast a shredding in this frozen water. So let's get into it. First little bit of power then. Oh, snow it! I can't even see the ground that's safe to ride on. Oh, it's so awesome. It could just be a lake under here. That is so good. It's kind of scary because I've never ridden here before, so I don't actually know what's underneath the ground there. So if I do hit a big hole and go over the bars, that'll be the reason why. Let's go and find a little section over there, yeah? Look at this bit, it's just pure snow, it's the best. Drifts! No way, that is the best, man. Let's get a slows of that. It's like I'm on a jet ski. No way. Yes, let's do a slows though, yeah? Oh my god, that is so cool. There's a huge deep snow drift over here. Look at that, that's so deep. I'll try and just come in and just like fire in there or something. Oh my god, it's incredible. Let's try and do this hill climb. Oh, up here. Awesome. It's actually powder here. Looks like there's a berm here though. Oh, yeah, come down here. If I hit that a few times, there's a good berm there, all sandy. Oh, the snow's even coming down. This is ridiculous. Right, I'm putting it in third power mode for this, just to get an extra bit of drive. Oh, yeah. We need to cover that camera a bit. Get on. It is coming down so thick. This is the thickest I've ever seen it, ain't it? Yeah. This is ridiculous. Wow. That is so cool. Right, you've put the other camera away so you don't want to get it destroyed, but I'm going to put the GoPro on my helmet here and I'll do a little blast round and hopefully the lens doesn't get covered. Here we go then, into the blizzard. Blizzard! Powder! Oh mate, that's insane. Lewi, get on and I'll take you up there because that little section's so good. The snow is just coming down so hard now, so we're gonna switch full time to the GoPro. We're gonna like link together a section to make a full track up. So let's little montage then. Such a big high side, Lou. It gripped so good there. Well, I need to get a shot of my face with the snow in it. Yeah. I landed there, look. What did you do? Well, I drifted around there and then it caught dry. Oh. And I was too like upright and then died. The snow has stopped now and look at it. It is firing. It's so amazing. I've just had a little roll over this and there's a sort of small step down. I'm going to give that a go and hopefully I don't slide out up the takeoff. Oh my god, that lighting is just absolutely amazing. I just want to get a wheelie past you here, so we've got that in the background because it looks so nice. Yeah. Oh, it's so cool in the snow. Such an insane experience. I've never done that before. I'm switching now to the spinny mount. Louis going to try and get the drone in the air as well, so I'm going to get some shots in here because it feels like jet skiing almost. It's just firing snow everywhere.
When I'm on the rhythm, you know we don't stop. Yo, hit it with the high and the low, 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 low. Now bad boy, are you ready for the bass? My DJ, yo, get on the case. Hyper with the lights on, no fuss on fighter. Get hyper. When I'm on the rhythm with the lyrical flow. When I'm on the rhythm, you know we don't stop.
We're on 1 bar now. I think it's going to die soon. We've been on it for like an hour and it's just amazing. But there's a big gap there. I'm going to put it in full power mode, come over this and try and launch from over there to there. Whoa. Well, that couldn't have been any further from what I wanted to do. Ow. That was the biggest case ever. Didn't get anywhere near clearing that gap. Right, I've not got much battery left. I'm going to finish off with a sick berm smash here for the finale. Here we go. Oh my god, that is so good. Wow. I've been on this for over an hour now and it's just about running out of battery. Oh god, that berm was so perfect. I can't believe how much fun it has been in the snow. I actually have never done that before on a moto. Oh my god, that was so fun. We actually wanted to test out the new Mtb Hopper moto ramp today, which looks like this, and I'm so excited for it, but the snow was just too good, so we didn't even get it out. In fact, I don't even know where we would have put it. We can't even see what we're riding on here, which is crazy. But the sun is slowly fading. It's still looking quite nice over there though, Lubes, look. See? Oh. maybe that is going to be the end of the snow in the UK. Who knows, but I've definitely made the most of it. But unfortunately, on that bombshell of excitement, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That'd be awesome if you leave some comments, and it'd be sick if you subscribe. See you in the next one. To the sky!